Chapter 2 DC circuit. This chapter is asking for 25 marks. So first topic is Ohm's law. So Ohm's law states that current flowing through the circuit is directly proportional to applied voltage and inversely proportional to resistance of the conductor. So I is directly proportional to V and inversely proportional to R. When proportionality sign is removed, I equals kV by R, where K is the constant. When K equals 1, I equals V by R. So this formula is very important in electrical engineering. This is applicable for both AC and DC circuit. So in the exam, sometimes given V and R to find out the I, or I and R to find the V, R to find the R by giving the value of current and voltage. So for memorization, we have to I, V, R, I. So this is the triangle rule. Always this triangle is very important in case of DC circuit and the AC circuit. So when I is given, R is given to find out the V, or I to find the I, V and R are given. To find the R, V and I are given. So this is the triangle rule. Then application of Ohm's law. So this is applicable for both DC and AC circuit. It is applicable for simple circuit. It is applicable to whole circuit or part of the circuit. So these are the applications of Ohm's law. Next, limitation. So limitation or disadvantage both are same. So in case of limitations, it holds good only for the at constant temperature. It cannot be applied for the semiconductor. It cannot be applicable for the electrolytes. It cannot be applicable for the complicated circuit. These are the limitation of the Ohm's law. So next topic is resistance, law of resistance and specific resistance. So in case of first of all, what is the meaning of resistance? So resistance is the material which opposes the flow of current, that is represented as R and unit is ohm. So this is the definition for resistance. Next, law of resistance. So law of resistance states that it is directly proportional to length of the conductor and inversely proportional to area of the cross section of the conductor. R proportional to L by A. When proportionality sign removed, R is equal to rho L by A. So where rho is the specific resistance. What is the meaning of specific resistance? So when we consider cube, so this is a rectangular. So specific resistance is the resistance measured between two opposite faces. It may be top, bottom or two sides. So that should be opposite faces of the material taken in the form of cube of 1 meter side. So it is denoted as rho and unit is ohm meter. So this is the specific resistance and law of resistance. So next topic, when resistance are in series or resistance are in parallel. So when we consider resistance are in series, we consider the three resistors R1, R2, R3. When current flows through this circuit, the same current flow to the R1, R2, R3, but different voltage drop, that is represented as V1, V2, V3, voltage drop across R1, R2, R3. So in case of series circuit, current is same, voltages differ. So when we find the derivation for series resistors, V is equal to IRS, that is when V1 is the IR1, V2 is the IR2, V3 is the IR3. So total voltage V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. When we substitute all those things in this equation, we finally get RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So in case of parallel, so here voltage is same, but current will be dividing I1, I2 and I3. So here voltage is same.